So guys, today we're unboxing Apple Watch. It's for my dad, so let's see what color my dad picked. So here's the case, and we're gonna open these two flaps. You can see that's the box. It's very clean. Now let's open the flaps. There we go. So that's the nice, it's actually blue. So let's put this aside. I'll open the actual Apple Watch first. So now I'm going to pull this strap from both sides. So that's one, and then two. So that's without the straps. Here you go. So let's open this. This is the charger. We'll open the charger later. We'll see this part. Wow. Look at that. So I'll just peel off the cover. Oh, that looks sick. This is actually so cool. Now let's see the strap. I'm guessing this is the strap, so we'll peel that off. Oh, there's only one. Nice. So I need help opening this.
Okay, let me help you. Okay, so here you go. Yeah.
So there we go. We're almost till the strap. We are at the strap now. So do I do this to pull it out? Wait, I'll just.
Let me help you again.
Okay.
Okay. So it's in two pieces. I think both will connect on each side of the
Watch. I mean the strap.
Yeah. So this is one.
The watch is finally showing pictures.
Yeah. Okay, Anish. We can keep it there so that we can. Let me show you the strap. This is one side, and here is another side.
The strap is so bendy and flexible.
Yeah.
That's
So
satisfying.
here are both the pieces. So let's see how it connects.
I think
No, not like that. We have to slide it in like this.
Let me try.
Okay, one, and here goes.
Wait,
number
can I
two.
do this one, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Just
This
slide
is
it.
so satisfying. Wait, let me flip it. Okay, this is satisfying. That was satisfying, right?
Yeah.
We got a flexible Apple Watch.
Yeah. So which strap is this? Let's see. There's magnetic link. So let's see how it looks and how it works. Oh yeah, you see that? It just get fixed like this.
So I'm opening
Because
the
it's magnetic.
charger. Guys, This actually looks sick. Look at that. That's sick. So we'll see the Apple Watch, like the actual Apple Watch. So I'm opening the charger. So how do I do this? I just open this flap. There we go. We got that. And we got that. I had to rip the box, which was unsatisfying, but here it is, the charger. I think this is pretty cool. It's not so cool, but it's cool. Bye guys.